Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I'm so excited to be here with you today to share this yarn haul with y'all. And I want to tell you something real quick. It is snowing in Louisiana, okay? That is like unheard of. I think I saw on the news page, it said something like it's been over 700 days since it snowed in Louisiana. And I mean, because we don't get snow every year. Just once in a while. And so actually it's not even like just some little flurries every now and then. It is snowing like hard for several hours. So we're excited about that. It won't last long. It'll melt by, a few hours probably, but it's pretty as it's falling. I don't know that I would want long lasting snow. It's just hard letting dogs in and out with snow and stuff like that. And we're not used to it. So anyway, but that's exciting for a Louisiana girl. Okay, so today I wanted to share with you Ollie's yarn haul. And this is actually 2 different trips to Ollie's after 2 different doctor visits. So I think it was Dakota took me after 2 doctor visits to Ollie's for a pick-me-up because I had gotten bad news. So anyway, I'll show you what I found. Sparkle yarn. So I have this slight addiction to sparkle yarn right now. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, sparkle yarn for $1.99. And this is Red Heart Made with Love Metallic. This colorway is light gray. And it does have like a lot of sparkle in there. It's pretty. So I got, I think 4 of these. I'm going to try to bag these as I show them. 1, 2. I got 4 of those. The light gray sparkles. And then there was this green, who is not my favorite. It's I think it's just olive. It's, the Red Heart with Love Metallic. I don't really know what I'm going to do with that color just yet. I'm trying to think of something for St. Patrick's Day. But anyway, I got 3 of these since I wasn't quite sure what I would use these for. But it's pretty, and this is called olive. Did I say that already? So I got 3 of those. And then I did like this green. This one is called Lime Citron Vert. Anyway, it's really pretty. So I think I will be using this for St. Patrick's Day in some kind of way. Or something. I don't know. It's just very pretty green. It's kind of like the spring green except on steroids with all the sparkles. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Trying to just put them away and keep them from falling all over the place. Okay. And then, let me get this bag open. And then they had some white, which it is called white. And it has a lot of sparkle in it. Very pretty. It has like iridescent sparkles. I don't know how well you can see that. Yeah. So these are really pretty. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. I mean, how often do you find sparkle yarn for $1.99? And I haven't said this, but these are 200 yards. So that's 4.5 ounces, 127 grams. So 200 yards of sparkle. And I tried to go ahead and get enough because, at Ollie's, it's not going to be there when you go the next time, most likely. So I went ahead and just got enough that I could actually make something with it, you know. Okay, so then another one that I got is fuchsia, and it is very sparkly. And actually, I already have a Valentine project going with this. I have one whole ball in it and another one opened and going in it right now. So I know it'll be over one ball project, probably about 1.5. But anyway, this is, you can't feel the sparkles, so it's very nice. So I have, I got 5 of those, and like I said, I have 2 of them in a project now. And then they had black. Yes, ain't that pretty? So this is just called black. And I got 3 of these. I don't know what I'm going to do with the black just yet, but, you know, it's sparkly yarn. So we'll see what I do with that. And then they had this other sparkle that I've never had before. This is a Red Heart Haggy charm. I'm not sure if I said that first word correctly. You can correct me if you want to, or you can let me go on calling it whatever. But this has that sparkle in it, and it's very pretty. And this one has 432 yards. So that's real pretty. And this one is called Supernova. So I picked up 3 of these, so that's plenty of yardage to do something fantastic with. And then, let's see. Then they had just some select balls of Red Heart bunches of hugs. Now, these were $4.99. And I went ahead and picked up this black because I'm always running out of black. Obviously, I use black a lot. And so, this is called Licorice. And let's see how many yards is in this. This is 948 yards. Whoa, wowza. So that's pretty big. It's pretty much, you know, a lot of yarn there. 948. And it is a 4-weight. And all the other yarns were a 4-weight too. Sorry I didn't say that. But this, yeah, I'm always running out of black and needing black. So when I saw that, I picked up the other colors, and then I was like, well, I should get a black for that price and that much yarn. You know, I'll use it. And then for some reason, I have one sapphire. It's just a navy color. For some reason, I just got one of these. I'm not sure what I was thinking. And then I got one of this one, and the colorway is, oh, we should make this a guessing game. The colorway is shrimp. Yes, shrimp. I don't even know what to say about that. I got 2 shrimp. So anyway, this is a beautiful color. I didn't even look at the name before now, but yes. So I have 2 of these, so I'll already be able to do something with these. And I got the others. I might combine with that. I ended up with this green, and the color is cabbage. It doesn't look like cabbage. It's not the color of cabbage. This might pass for shrimp, but I don't think this would pass for cabbage. But the colorway is cabbage. Okay, so I have 2 of those. And then I picked up one of this one right here. And this is only 678 yards. And it is called Dragon. Wow. Dragon. Okay. Well, I don't know what I was thinking at the time because I didn't feel good. And maybe I was kind of rushing or whatever. But I was thinking these 3 would go together to make something, a blanket or something. But now I'm not so sure about that. I don't know that this one really ties into that. And this, that color might be in here. Or might not be. I don't know if it's the same green. So now I'm not so sure. But I know I can make a baby blanket out of this. Surely. So anyway, that was the yarn I got at Ollie's. I know not everyone has an Ollie's around them. We recently got the Ollie's this past year. I had heard news that Ollie's was coming, Ollie's is coming, Ollie's is coming. It never came. Like, that news was out there for like probably about 1.5 years, close to 2 years. And then all of a sudden one day, there's Ollie's. So I was very surprised. And then over in the book section, Ollie's has a great book collection. And so I always look over there to see what they have going on. And I picked up some really great books. This book right here, Crochet, the Complete Step-by-Step Guide. Isn't that a beautiful book? I just love the pictures on it there. And it says essential techniques, more than 80 patterns. So at the beginning of the book does have like crochet techniques and stuff. And then on the inside, it's like all kinds of cutesy little patterns. Look at that. Yeah, I love those fish and starfish. But yeah, it's just lots of cutesy little patterns in here. And simple things too, like a men's beanie, you know? So there's lots of things in here that I want to make, like now. That I'm just, these fingerless gloves. So yes, this is a great book. One day when I get my yarn room fixed the way that I would like it, I would like a table in there. Oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I love it, love it, love it. Anyway, as I was saying, I would like a table in my yarn room, and this just laid on it, you know, as a centerpiece or something, you know, with a ball of yarn, of course. But it's so many cute things in here. I just love all of it. In my yarn room, I used to have a table in there. It wasn't a yarn room at the time because I didn't crochet or play with yarn at that time. It was my craft room, and I did have a big long oblong table that I had painted gray and had chairs around it. When I had friends over, we'd sit around that table, and there were some other chairs and benches in there too because it was like a lot of space in that room. And then probably not many months after we got that room set up like that, Elijah ended up getting a baby grand piano, and the only room in the house that it would go in was my yarn room. And so I lost my table and some of my seating in there. So anyway, one day when he moves on and takes that baby grand piano with him, I will put a table back in there. I don't still have that same table that I had, but I will put a small table back in there and put this on the table because I love that. I love the pictures there. So, and I did get another book. Even though I don't needle knit, they had this knitting book here. And these books were $7.99. The regular price on here says $24.99, but I did get them for $7.99 at Ollie's. Like I said, they have just great prices. But even though I don't needle knit, there's lots of projects back here that I could make on the looms. So it was totally worth getting for the project section and just for the beautiful pictures in the book. Because they are just some beautiful pictures. That is so pretty. But anyway, it's lots of patterns and directions and techniques and more techniques and tons of projects here that could easily be made. Even though it's needle knit, it can be converted to the looms. So that's cool. And I was happy to see those. Very happy that I saw those. I went just the right day and got those because they had one of each. And I actually even looked around to see if they had more of them or if they had like any other type of crochet knitting books. And that was the only two that they had. So anyway, I'm excited about my yarn haul. Like I said, it was 2 trips. So this is yarn from, 2 combined trips. And I will put it to good use. This one I have going on a Valentine project right now that I'm going to have finished up by February. And then this one I might start the same project but in a different color. I'm not quite sure about that. Or I might do something different with that one. But I love the sparkle yarn. For some reason, I have a slight obsession with sparkle yarn right now. I would love to go back to Joann's and get some of that big twist sparkle. But that'd be another day, another trip to Shreveport before I can do that. But anyway, guys, thanks for joining me, and I hope you're all having a great week, and I'll see you all again really soon. Bye, guys.